In this video, I'll be explaining how to update your CASS scores with the new inclusion of civic education and digital technologies. Open your CASS application by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop. And once the application is open, log in with your username and your password. Once you are logged in, click on the administration menu and select Update Center Details. Ensure you have an internet connection and click on OK. Now it tells you that the process will replace some content in your computer to the latest update from the CASS Online. So you click on Yes to continue and it updates your details from the online server. And once these details are updated, you click on OK and then you go back to the administration menu. Now if you no longer have your CASS details in your application, you can click on Restore School Data from the online portal. But if you still have your CASS details intact in your application, you can just go ahead and click on Add CASS Subject for all students. Now you select the CASS year and the exam year. Now you need to note that the CASS subjects must be added for each CASS year. So depending on the number of CASS years that you've uploaded, you need to ensure that you add the CASS subjects and add the CASS scores for each of the years. So I'm doing this for CASS year 1 now, and this is the year. And then I'm going to select the subject. So I'm going to select either civic education or digital technology. So I'm selecting civic education first. So I'll click on civic education and then I'll click on proceed to add for all. When I click on this, civic education is added for all the students. So I'm going to click on this and then yes, continue, and it will go ahead to add civic education as one of the CASS subjects for all the students. So it gives this information that a total of 72 students have had their CASS subjects updated with civic education. So I'll click on OK. And I can now go ahead and add the scores for civic education by selecting civic education again. And then it brings out the names of the students. And I can see that civic education has been added as one of their CASS subjects now. Now to add the scores, I just need to click in the box for scores in front of the candidate's name and then put in the scores. So I select the next one, put in the scores. So as I'm entering in the scores, it's automatically updated. So I can just enter in all the scores. So once I'm through entering all the scores, I can just click on exit because it automatically saves. Now, if I want to add another subject, which is the digital technologies, I can just select digital technologies. So I'm adding digital technologies for CASS year 1 and this particular exam year. So I'll just click on proceed to add for all. Yes, continue. And it tells me a total of 72 students have their CASS subjects updated with digital technology. So I'll click on OK and then select digital technologies to enter in their CASS scores. I'll be entering in their CASS scores for CASS year 1 2023. So just the way I did it with civic education, I'll just click in the score box and begin to enter in the scores for each of the students. So once I'm done entering in all the scores, I can then click on exit, or I can then move on to another year if I have another year that I need to enter, which is CASS Year 2, I can just select CASS Year 2 2024 and then select the subjects and then go ahead to enter in, click on proceed to add for all, and then I'll enter in all the scores for civic education for CASS Year 2 and exam year 2024, just the way I did for CASS Year 1. So you need to ensure that each of the CASS years you have the subject civic education, digital technologies added, and their scores added for each of the years. And once you've done that, it saves it automatically. You can then click on exit, and then you go back to administration and click on upload CASS details to the online system. So this is how you update your CASS scores and then upload it back to your online system. So if you have the details already in the application, you can just go ahead and click on add CASS subjects and add the subject of upload add the scores for each of the years and then upload. But if you do not have the details anymore in your application, make sure you click on restore school data from the online portal first. Select your school and the start year, end year, restore school info, and then you can then go ahead and carry out the steps I had showed you earlier. This is how you update your CASS scores with the newly included civic education and digital technologies.